Hello and welcome to your podcast for today. I'm John. Today I'm with my friend Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, John. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here.
We will talk like friends. We will talk about our day and small stories.
Yes, let's have a chat.
So, Sarah, good morning. How was your morning?
Good morning, John. My morning was quiet. I woke up late. That was a surprise.
Oh no, late. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7:30. I usually wake up at 6:30.
That's 1 hour later. Did you miss something?
No, not really. I had a small breakfast and then I made tea.
Tea is the best. What do you put in your tea?
Just sugar, no milk. Simple tea.
Simple tea, perfect. Yesterday you said you had a funny moment at the market. Tell us.
Yes, I went to the market for tomatoes.
Yes, I went to the market for tomatoes.
But the seller asked me, how many kilos? And I said, 2.
Ha ha ha, he was surprised.
Yes. He said, do you want 2 kilos? I said, no, 2 tomatoes.
Ha ha ha, that is funny. People in the market sometimes ask weight.
After that, we laughed and he gave me a small bag.
Good story. Small mistakes make good memories. Tell us about your studies. How was your week?
My week was busy. I have classes and I also help in the shop on Saturdays.
That is a lot. Do you like both?
Yes. I like classes because I learn new things. I like the shop because I meet people.
What do you learn in class now?
We learn simple business words. For example, price, cost, sale.
Can you say a sentence with price?
The price is 2,000.
Perfect. And at the shop, what do customers ask you?
They ask, how much and do you accept card?
Do you accept cards?
Sometimes. Mostly cash.
Let's talk about music. What music do you listen to?
I like Afrobeats and R&B. Music makes me smile.
Do you sing?
A little. I sing in the shower.
Haha, good place to sing. Do you play any instruments?
I try the guitar. I know 3 chords. It is simple, but fun.
Nice. Maybe one day you will play in the shop.
That would be nice.
What is your favorite food?
I love fish and rice. Also, fruit mango is my favorite.
Mango is great. Do you have mango now?
No, not now. But in summer, yes.
When you eat with family, what do you say?
We say, let's eat, and thank you after the meal.
Simple and warm. You went to the beach last month. How was it?
It was calm. The water was warm. I walked with my brother.
Did you swim?
Yes, a little. We sat and watched the sky. It was quiet and nice.
Sounds peaceful. I like the sea too. Tell me about your family. Who is in your family?
I have my parents, 2 brothers, and a sister. We live near each other.
What do you do together?
We cook, watch football, and sometimes visit our grandparents.
Nice. Family time is important.
Yes. I call my mother every day.
What do you dream about for the future?
I want to travel and learn more English. I want a small business.
A small business, nice. What kind of business?
Maybe a bakery or a small shop with crafts.
That sounds lovely. Good luck, Sarah.
Thank you. I hope to try soon.
Any last words for our listeners?
Keep talking. Small steps are good. Don't be shy.
Yes. Practice a little every day. Thank you, Sarah, for this nice talk.
Thank you, John. Thank you, listeners. See you next time.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe and share with a friend. Bye.